In order to lower the likelihood of a breakdown, predictive maintenance involves using software to continuously monitor the performance and condition of equipment throughout routine operations. The primary objective is to foresee equipment breakdowns based on particular parameters and variables. Once a breakdown is anticipated, manufacturers take the necessary corrective or planned maintenance measures to stop it. The ideal is to keep the frequency of maintenance as low as possible, preventing unscheduled reactive maintenance. People commonly mix up preventive maintenance and predictive maintenance. The data being examined is what distinguishes the two. Preventive maintenance uses historical data, averages, and life expectancy statistics to determine when maintenance tasks will be necessary, whereas predictive maintenance relies on monitoring and analyzing data from the real, present condition of the equipment in operation. Regardless of whether the equipment needed maintenance, preventive maintenance has involved examining and maintaining the equipment, while different methods are used to identify predictive maintenance based on the preset and predetermined circumstances of particular pieces of equipment. Condition monitoring equipment is used to evaluate asset performance. Once the data is collected, sensors are installed and capture a variety of information from a structure or piece of equipment's physical operations, including temperature, vibrations, conductivity, etc. The sensors are triggered when the equipment performs outside of normal parameters. There are different types of predictive maintenance. There's vibrational analysis, which is a type of analysis inside manufacturing plants with high rotating machinery. A technician can monitor a machine's vibration by using the real-time sensors built into the equipment. The machine will start to vibrate in a distinct pattern when there is a misalignment, imbalance, and as parts like bearings and shafts start to wear out and fail. Infrared analysis is the most economical tool for preventive maintenance when temperature serves as a reliable indicator of future problems. It can be used to detect issues with airflow, cooling, and motor stress. Ultrasonic acoustic analysis is utilized for both mechanical and electrical equipment that emits more subtle sounds and can recognize ultrasonic noises associated with machine friction and stress. It is more adept at predicting impending breakdowns than conventional. And sonic acoustic analysis focuses on preventive lubrication techniques for low and high rotating machinery. Instead of focusing on identifying the cause of equipment failure, this analysis concentrates on preventive lubrication procedures. Benefits of preventive maintenance include lower maintenance operation cost, reduced downtime, improved equipment reliability, decreased unanticipated failures, and increased production and profits. ICP-USA modules can be implemented into predictive maintenance solutions. An SG3000 signal condition module can be connected to sensors for current, voltage, thermocouple, RTD, and strain gauge measurement. An analog voltage or current output in a common measurement range can then be produced by filtering, isolating, or amplifying the various input signals. The PET7H16M module and an SG3000 module can be used in combination to gather real-time data from various regions and promptly communicate the data to the central management system via Ethernet, as well as to enable you to monitor a variety of signals from a wide range of devices. The AR200 and 400 modules are the perfect choice for vibration signal monitoring. Vibration monitoring and analysis are the sole focus of these high-performance dynamic signal acquisition modules. The data collected by the modules are saved on a micro SD card that can be utilized for offline vibration analysis. ICP-USA offers an application that can be installed on the host computer and that can be quickly set up for various triggering modes, as well as modifying the sample rate and planning the sampling period for different applications using the development tools. Insights from predictive maintenance can greatly enhance an operation's overall maintenance and reliability. It aims to identify the ideal time to perform work on an asset in order to reduce maintenance frequency and increase reliability without incurring excessive cost. To learn more, visit our website or contact a member of the ICP-USA team.